Hey guys, Heather here with another goodie share. This time I'm sharing the Simon Says Stamp December card kit that I received in the mail. So I guess let's just sort of dig in. I wasn't here when it, sorry for the crackling. I apologize, I should have gotten this out ahead of time. Ooh. Wasn't here when it arrived. I was sort of on vacation. Oh, what's this? Distressed crackle paste in icicle. Ooh. So when it arrived, I was not here. I was in Maryland enjoying their fall season while we were suffering, while everybody up here was suffering winter because it was in the negative 20s. What does this look like? Oh, that's pretty. Do you see all that sparkle? Oh my goodness. Love. Love, 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 love. Oops. As I smear it everywhere. Oh, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be so much fun. Anyways, sorry. Digress. Let's see, what else do we get? Ew, what in the world is that? Is that a fine tip bottle? Oh, that's cool. That'd be great for glue with a lid. Oh, come on. That is really sweet. I like that. I love fine tips, but all my fine tips, like, I can't even begin to tell you. Like, I've thrown most of them out. Like, I have this one, which is a beautiful fine tip, but it's clogged already. I have to go in there and get all gunked up and try to unclog it. So this is cool. I like this. It's a good idea. Oh, wouldn't be perfect without a piece of candy. Definitely. Ooh, a nice palette knife. That's kind of nice and stiff. I like that. What are these? Bubbles Bullies. Transparent ornament pieces that can be added to projects or as a decorative element. Those are pretty thick. Curious what I'm going to do with them. With some mixed media 3D pieces, that'd be cool. And then what in the world is this? Oh, it's a Spectrum Noir sparkle pen. Is that in gold? Oops, that's not how you do it. How do you... Does anybody know how to work these? I don't know how to work these. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Can't wait to try that out. Hopefully I don't break this one. I broke my Wink Stella by pushing it too much. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, a couple envelopes. Beautiful turquoise color. And a beautiful white. Those are nice. I like their envelopes. Little mini pop-up. Those are cute. I like those. And then of course you get your little flyer. So there's that. And then what in the world are these? Are these the papers? All right, you got your 6x6 papers, which are very cutesy. Double-sided. Kind of like that. It's funky and crazy, but I kind of like that. Some strips you can easily add to a card. Ooh, I like that. Great backgrounds. Not a little Elle's hat. Those are cute. They almost look like Hershey Kisses, if you think about it. Oh, ooh, even better, it's in black. That's nice. Little Mod Podge of images. And in black. These are cute. Little signs. Ooh, that's in brown. Nice. I like that. A little scene. That's cute. Ooh, I like the beginning. It's like a pinkishy red color, although it does look pretty red-ish. Well, no, it looks, yeah, you can see the pink coming through. Little tools, paint brushes. Same thing in pink. Ooh, this one's got glossy on it. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty cool. And then this side without it, with the pink background. Ooh, the snowflakes have got a little gold. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little gold flecks of glitter. Just a little bit in the background. And then this one's all presents. For some reason that looks like food. Like it makes me hungry. Maybe it reminds me of a cookie or something, but that's pretty cool. I like that. So there's that. And what are these? Oh, these are little pop-ups. Pop-ups. Wait, what? These are from Craft Consortium. Oh, you can layer them. Oh, that is cool. So you layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Oh, okay, that is cool. Oh, look at those. Those are cute. I love, look, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm loving these. These are quick, easy, simple cards. What is it? No, that's just one. Oh my goodness, I love these. These are adorable. Nice. And then here are some little ideas, which I love these little ideas. It's with all the monthly kits I get from Simon Stamp. I'm actually putting them together. I'm going to put them in a notebook so I can go back and refer and see A, what came in the kit, and B, some ideas so I don't have to keep going jumping online, because sometimes that can be annoying. Sometimes I just don't want to plug into the internet. I just want to create. Comes with some cardstock. Oops, looks like I got a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. Some pretty red. And I don't know the colors' names. Sorry. It's a beautiful turquoisey color, black, and a white. That's nice. And then the main reason why I got it is because the stamp. That is so cute. I love that border stamp. How cute is that? And the little elves. Sorry if there's glare. They are so cute. Then we have, hope the season brings you great joy. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Let's see. Have your elf a merry little Christmas. You can pop that over there. That is so cute. Love that. So looking forward to that. So that was my Simon Says December kit. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.